Hello, good afternoon. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So today I have a AIA Awards box, American Influencer, and this is my February box, and I am also unboxing my January box since I'm still catching up on videos. So I got this idea from Vicki at West Coast Weeks, and she got an awesome box, and I'm like, I have to have it. So this again is the December box, so I'm going to open it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please be so kind as to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you like it, a thumbs up. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you so much for sticking with me throughout my illness. I am on the road to recovery. So the first box I know is the heavier box, so that's why I know it's the December box. Now most of you know, if you've been with me, my struggles for opening boxes are real. I can never open them. Small or large, they can't be opened. So today is Tuesday. Did you get hit with snow? I know people that haven't been used to getting hit with snow, like Texas and Arkansas, are getting hit with snow. I live in Arizona, so we don't get snow here very often, maybe up in the mountains, but originally I'm from Chicago, so I'm so used to snow and so over it. So let me know if you got hit with snow. So it comes very nicely packaged, and it's got this little foam, and you can use it to wipe your makeup brushes. And it does have a card. I wasn't sure. Some boxes have cards, some boxes don't. This one has a card, and the reason I ordered this one is it was a hair care box. I guess every month is, or I think it comes every 2 months. It's themed, and this theme was for hair care. So the first thing I'm taking out of the box is a night spa, and this is, if I could read it, it's a serum, and it's, probably could read it off the card better. It is an innovative product that, along with Trust Infusion, will entirely revolutionize your concept of hair treatment. Trust Night Spa Serum is the home care version, a light serum formula recommended for weekly application to keep hair healthy until the next salon visit. So I'm sure the directions are on here. It's anti-frizz, highly moisturizing. So I don't know if you put it on just at night and leave it on all night. So, but it's a nice bottle and great packaging. Then, and this box, I want to say was $34.95 for everything, with shipping and everything. Is a hair protector, and this is a gel cream daily protector. So detangling, softness, and shine, and this is so what I need. A lightweight gel cream base daily leave-in that restores hair's natural structures, detangles, and offers thermal protection from the blow dryer and flat iron, promotes nutrition, hydration, restores the natural structure of the hair, and protects the strands from external aggressions. So I so can't wait to try these products. And then we have, I'll just take it out, we have a shampoo and conditioner, very nice size bottles. So I will start using these tomorrow. I'm almost out of my regular shampoo that I've been using, and my hair could really use some good stuff. And they don't put retail prices on here, but I could just imagine it's more than worth the price of the box. And we have AIA Tangled Leave-In Detangler Spray. So I'd imagine after you use that other product, you can put this on and then just leave it in. And the all-in-one product that is a must-have. Tangled is a lightweight mist that conditions, enhances, shines, and fights the frizz with just one mist. And again, this is a nice size as well. And our sixth product, Deluxe Prime by Truss, and Deluxe Prime Travel Size. It's their top selling product in a versatile protein infused spray that restores devitalized, fragile, damaged, and chemically treated hair. Detangles the hair, leaving it soft and silky. Can be used as a treatment after the shampoo and before the conditioner, as a leave-in or a pre-blowout lotion. So that's a nice, and it's definitely a nice size travel. So that was everything that I got in my December box. So what did you think of it? Did you like it? Are you into hair products? Because if you're into hair products, this was the December box. And that's kind of why I ordered it, because it was so full of hair products, and trust me, my hair needs it. But every month, or every 2 months I should say, the box is different. And now the January, or I should say the January-February box is here, and it's a lot lighter, so I'm thinking it isn't hair products. And this card is the Ultimate Nude Eyeshadow Palette. So this must be geared more towards makeup. And looking back at the card, it is makeup. And there is a promo code to get a discount off of Bella makeup. So the first thing is Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and the color is, it's a matte lipstick, and the color is Incognito. And it looks like an awesome color. And look at that's really pretty. Definitely a nude. So I'm liking that. I have lipstick on. My lips have been so chapped. I've been drinking so much water and Gatorade, and I don't know why. My lips are super, super chapped, and I've been putting scrubs and everything on, but they just don't wanna work. And then the next is banana setting powder, and I just got some in BoxyCharm. What was it, the Fenty? So I'm not gonna open it, but it's a great travel size. See if I could but I have so much powder, but I love a good banana powder. And again, do they put the prices on this one? Oh, they do. This one they do. The Mineral Lipstick Incognito retails for $20, so that's an average price for lipstick. And the banana setting powder, and it's in medium, retails for $35. And then we got a little kabuki brush for our banana powder, and I was so disappointed that when I got my Fenty banana powder, it didn't come with the brush. Some boxes came with the brush, some boxes didn't, mine didn't. So I'm really gonna enjoy having a brush for my banana powder. And then it looks like we got a brow pencil in cocoa. So I can always use a good brow pencil. We've been getting a lot of brow kits in our boxes, so I don't know if that's like the new thing. People are reaching out to these companies and say, give me more brow kits, but I'm not mad that we get a good brow. And the kabuki brush is $20, and the brow cocoa is $20, so it's definitely worth the price. Again, I paid like $34 or something. And then we got this ginormous palette. Did I say ginormous? Pierre Ultimate Nude Eyeshadow Palette, 35 colors. It's ginormous. They packed it really, really well. Challenge is, I don't want to break this and get this all over. Excuse me. Wowza. I'm just like looking for something to put over the ginormous mirror. Okay. What do you think of those colors? I'm really liking them. There is, I'm not gonna swatch them, but I think I'm gonna use them. I really kind of like that one, but they're all usable, and they do have colors that have that little pop of color. So what do you think? Would you use this palette? I mean, it's a great nude palette, but it's got some purples in there and a blue in there to kind of, and it's got some mattes and it's got some shiny stuff. So that's a really nice palette. So what do you think? They're totally two separate boxes. We have a hair box, which love, love, love. And then we have a makeup box, which I loved. So tell me what you like. Do you get this box or boxes? And or would you get this box? Did you like it as much as I did? So thank you so much for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not, and a thumbs up. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.